Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Simul Rufran Ayurvedic. This is our lovely teammates.
Hi, my name is Ilika Nagadisen.
Hi, my name is Tanishka Nairvimalan.
We are from
Makerspace Ballet Pula.
This is our project, Smart Plant Watering System.
We have included 6 SDG goals in our project. Wait a minute, do you know what SDG goals are? SDG goals are United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. There are a total of 17 SDG goals. As I said, we have included 6 SDG goals in our project.
The first SDG goal is no poverty, which is the SDG goal number 1. The second one is good health and well-being, which is the goal number 3.
The third SDG goal is clean water sanitization, goal number 6. Fourth is affordable and clean energy, goal number 7.
The fifth one is climate action, which is the goal number is 13. The last one is life on land, which is the goal number is 15.
Do you know why we choose this project? Because this project is being carried out to avoid plants from wilt or die. Besides that, this project also helps to decrease greenhouse gas emission and save energy too. This process would significantly reduce energy bills. Other than that, the outpost is cheap and easy to install, and it has low maintenance cost. Moreover, this project is done to reduce the impact on the environment, improve energy security and independence. They are silent and saving as well.
Now let me explain to you that what are the components we used. Firstly, Microbit, water pump, jumper wires, sensor bit, relay, fan, DC motor, and lastly solar panels. Here is a picture of a Microbit. As with most technologies, solar panel will naturally produce less energy over time. This reduced power output is called the degradation rate. The median solar panel degradation rate is about 0.5%, which simply means that a solar panel's energy production will decrease at a rate of 0.5% per year. Solar energy is a renewable energy source, meaning you don't ever use it up. Solar energy is clean. It creates no carbon emissions or other heat-trapping greenhouse gases. It avoids the environmental damage associated with mining or drilling for fossil fuels. Some of the most common reasons for a plant to deteriorate are overwatering or underwatering, not getting the right amount of sun, changes to their environment, bugs and pests, or nutrients deficiencies. This is our coding. Now let me explain to you about the difficulties we went through. At the beginning stage of the trial run, we noticed the water pump sucked the sand debris from the pot into the pump, hence caused slowdown in pump efficiencies. Therefore, we decided to layer the pot with coconut husk and pebbles along with the soil. These changes has improved the pump efficiency and there were no more debris found in the pump. Our deepest thanks to Makerspace for their support and guidance.
Thank you.